Buffett. Now, Warren Buffett is Oracle of Omaha, and he is a legendary trader, investor, not a trader. So he has been buying and making loads of money through investment, right? So we all know that's hard fact and figures. But the thing is this, many people didn't know that, right? He has been a net seller of stocks for the past 4 straight quarters. Now, this is not very nice because the whole market is up by 26%. And Warren Buffett didn't buy much, obviously, and he didn't buy much, right? He only buy his own stock to go make it like, buy back and make some investor happier. But investors are actually not very happy. I saw this video clip whereby a lady actually commented and said, look, Warren Buffett, you said that you will buy index. You think that index is actually a good deal. So why don't you buy index? You have $120 billion of money in the sitting and not doing anything. Of course, to an investor, you are not utilizing the money, hence therefore, right, not happy. But to me itself, right, if this guy is performing and the stock price overall is good, why are you complaining? Why are you complaining, my lady? Is that when I got the video. So of course, from the investor point of view, it's like he should use the money. But if let's say he don't use the money, and then after that, if there's going to be any pullback, then he can use the money at the right time, isn't better. But because he knows Warren Buffett itself back then ever mentioned that he will always want to have $20 billion in cash for usage or liquidity purposes. But this time around, he has 150 billion. It's already 7 times more than his mandate, right? So that basically frustrates people. So this guy called James, okay, he said that it's kind of frustrating that he hasn't seen any value. He said that everybody's making money. Almost you can see, right? Even I saw on CNBC, they interview a young boy who used $10,000 to make $1 over million from cryptocurrency. It's a young boy, I think less than 14-year-old, 15-year-old. So isn't that the same replica of what we've seen before any market comes down? So look at it, guys. Since 2020 Q4, Warren Buffett been selling, right? 2.4 billion, 3.9 billion, 1.1 billion, and recently another 2 billion. So as the market is surging, this guy is selling off. So is it because he knows something we don't know? Well, you can see that, right? That's what everybody speculated back in 2020, but the market didn't come down. Then the same thing happened again, it didn't come down. In fact, every time he sells, the market keep on going higher. So the question is it the time to be careful, or is it Warren Buffett now is really off his tangent, is no longer able to predict the market? What do you think? So let's see, all right? Do you think that Warren Buffett is wrong, or is he correct? Now, let me know, guys. Is Warren right or wrong? Okay, key answer right now, guys. Is Warren Buffett right to start to sell stocks away to get more cash, or is he wrong and he should buy more stocks and then make the money because it was 26% on the S&P 500? Seriously, if you had bought Tesla, wow, you would make a lot of money, right? Let's hear the answer. Yeah. Okay, so I only have Jerry replying. How about the rest, guys? Anthony replying, say that he's conservative and not wrong. Allison say he's right. Okay, so we have only 3 of you, 38 of you guys online right now. What do you think? All right. To me, if you rewind the clock back to 1999, where the NASDAQ was going crazy and he doesn't understand anything, he just returned back the money. All right, and of course, at the time itself, right, you get angry with him. Say, hey, are you crazy? Are you nuts? Whole world making money and you're not buying and making money, right? So it's okay. He doesn't want. And of course, what happened in NASDAQ, it came down so badly that, many people were burned back then in 1999. So the thing is this, he is on a selling streak. He didn't do any deal. He has now $149.2 billion. My God, $149 billion in the bank doing nothing. Okay? He only basically, he didn't do much. In fact, look at it. He basically didn't do anything at all. He only reduced Bangkok. All right, so these are his top counters: Apple, Bank America, American Express, and so forth, right? But you must understand this, he's a very long-term investor, okay? So to copy his homework, you must know it, okay? Now, what have you been selling, right? I'll cover this tomorrow, okay? The list is some of those things he sell, I didn't prepare today. But there's something I want you to take a look, everybody. Now, focus with me, everybody. Now, this is something interesting, okay? We all know that the S&P 500, the last few months, okay, let me just bring the chart to you, okay? Hold on a minute. Yeah, here we go. Hold on now. Now, if you look at the market here, everybody, okay, can you take a look right now, right? Since, okay, I'm going easier, August, okay, August is somewhere near here, August, yeah? August S&P was at 4405. Can you see that? 4405. Today, S&P is 4700. So up by 300 points or about 8%, yeah? About 8%. So the S&P went up by 8%. But you look at it for the Berkshire Hathaway or Berkshire Hathaway, right? For where we are here and where we now here is right, the whole stock didn't move at all. It did go up, right? It did go up to a high of 44499, right? It's a very expensive stock, 44499.1, okay, 440,000 stock, okay. It did go up, right? But you look at it from where we are here and now where it is right now, you can see that the S&P is up by so much, at least 8%. But in terms of the Berkshire or Berkshire Hathaway, we are actually near the same level. So that's something to take note. Not that looking fine, right? That's one thing. But what is incredible is when I see this pattern. Again, you know, I'm a pattern lover and I see things, I get instantaneous reaction in terms of like, you know, I find it something interesting. Now, this is the MA50, which is kind of pretty okay, right? You notice here, and here. Now, these are the three areas that I want to take note, okay? So first of all, it's mid of June, mid of June, early September. You notice that once the market break the MA30, right, and if the stock goes down, right, okay, this is what I'm trying to say now, okay? So mid of June and early September, okay? Take note of that, okay? So now you take note of that. Let me show you something here right now. You see that I purposely did this, which means mid of June and early September. Do you notice something here as well, my friends? Yes, whenever Berkshire Hathaway, the stock price goes below the 50 MA, right? You can see that the S&P also dropped. You can see that the S&P really dropped. So now we are again near there, right? Because now Berkshire Hathaway, the stock price is going to go nearer to the MA 50 level. So if the stock goes down and goes below the MA 30 level, are we going to say that the history will repeat? And likely the S&P will pull back. What do you think? Yeah, I think so too, no? So that's why I think that these 2-3 days, there is a chance that if Berkshire Hathaway goes down below the 40, goes down below the MA 50 level, again, what level is that? 44, okay, write it down for you, easier for you to remember. 427,000, okay, 42.7. So if Berkshire Hathaway, the stock price go down to below 42.7, that means that there could be some selling and likely the S&P 500 will likely follow through. Can you understand? Yeah. So with that itself, right, how low will it go? I don't know. Maybe the last time we saw it go down by about 5%. Maybe this time now 3%, maybe. So let's say now today the S&P 500 is at 4,700. Yeah. So multiply by 0.7%, 0.3%, sorry, I will get a figure, and that figure is 4559. Okay, 4559. Hey, not bad, same to where I predict. Just randomly drawing this. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is this: the S&P 500, there is a possibility for it to drop down to 4559. Okay, it is very possible. All right, so traders, kindly take note of that. 4559. Yeah. Okay. What do you think? All right. How many of you think that I will be right? How many of you think that I will be right? How many of you think that my forecast to see S&P hitting 4559 will be correct? Will be traded. Right, what do you think, guys? How many of you think that my forecast to see S&P hitting 4559 will be traded soon? If you think that I am going to be correct, put the word me or yeah, give me a comment. Now, of course, you can say I'm wrong, yeah? Now, I'm not saying that it will, I'm not saying that it will not, it will definitely come down there, but it's just that mathematically, based on what we're seeing now, Berkshire Hathaway, the stock price is moving, Warren Buffett telling the world that I'm not buying, I'm selling. So all this actually does give us a little bit of like a hindsight or foresight that the market itself may go into some profit taking in the near future. Yeah, that is my personal view and how I see this. Yeah. Okay, I'm not saying that market will crash, please. It's not even near a crash, okay? It's not even near a crash at all. Okay, we are not even near a crash, okay, guys? So don't kindly don't take my words out of context, okay? I just believe that there could be some profit taking in the near term, and the market, if you do the profit taking, well, what will happen likely itself is that the market may drop down to 4559. Yeah, okay, all right. So let me see. Okay, Jerry say I'll be right. Kai say I'll be right. Janet, King Hua, thank you. Okay, wow. Angelina say I could be right. Me, Susan say maybe spoke on again. I hope so. Alison, Kai. Okay, Fred also. Yes, the Fred. That's the thing itself, right? That's the thing here, Fred. That is what I'm going to tell you guys. I'm not calling for sell because I want to be a bear. I'm calling for sell because I want to be a buyer again. So now, if we sell right now, and the price go down to 4559, that will be a lovely price for us to buy again. You understand? It'll be a lovely time to buy more stocks. Yeah, it'll be a lovely time to buy more stocks. And that will be good. Okay, that will be excellent. So that is the reason why I will love that the price come down to 4559, and then we can buy more again. And this time around, we can buy it for upside all the way to 5,000. Correct or not? I mean, since the whole world called for 5,000, then might as well just predict 5,000, yeah? So don't need to fight the world, okay? Oh, okay, Anthony say buying VIX. Yes, indeed, tonight, I think I'll be looking to get more VIX, yeah? To protect, yeah? I'll buy more VIX. Okay, so that is my view for the S&P 500 in the coming time. Now, remember yesterday I shared this. Yeah, I shared this, right? I told you that based on the seasonal pattern itself, in the mid of November, usually there will be a pullback. Now, today is the 17th of November. So again, kind of like, you know, what I'm trying to say, right? If history can repeat itself, then logically speaking, there is a pretty good chance that if this is going to happen, a pullback in the mid of the month, a pullback of this. So again, this will be in line with what I'm saying right now. Don't you think so? So why don't we just try to take a look at this and see whether or not it really happens, okay? So this is something that you can take advantage of this, guys, through this MAO. And I really hope you guys will make good money out of this, yeah? Okay, all right. Like, if you like it, give me a thumbs up again. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Like it, give me a click on, or give me all the emoticons and say like, love, shares, okay? Let me have it, okay? Let me have all the love, all the likes, all the care. Okay, if you think it's a joke, then all the love. Okay, okay, it doesn't matter as long as you guys, you know, do me a favor and make this MAO lovely and lively. Right? It's not easy to talk to you guys without you responding. It's very difficult. So I find it's very amazing for DJs to do this. Okay. All right. Thank you once again. Yay! I get to see all the love and likes button coming out. Hey, who put an angry face? Okay, who's angry with me? Oh my goodness. Okay, all right, let's continue. Yeah, okay, let's go. All right, so we have the numbers right now. Very incredibly, the market is kind of sideways coming down a bit, but the fear and greed index staying there 80. So for the longest of time now, the market has been staying at 80 for what, 2 weeks already, and the number haven't changed much. The number is still staying at 82. Okay. So to me, it's all right. The market is at a high and it's coming down, and yet your number is 82. So I kind of like this. So that's why buying more VIX later on makes a lot of sense. Yeah, buying some VIX later makes a lot of sense. Okay. All right. The chart shows me that downside looks much more certain. Yeah. Okay. So with that as well, let's look at the chart. The bull goes bull, the bear goes